mechiache obi bia ohwe me bia ba bia wo bia no anwumre mechiawo aha ayo OPATAFUOR YouTube channel se on subscribe ya na wabo modern subscribe na ayekama utri yesu a na wa share link no na bibia ayekama kama chia baby a ohwe me bia Italy, for Spain, Germany, Canada, Amsterdam, all European countries, North and South America, African countries, baby, I will be a ciao. And two years share link na especially the groups ya dedicated for OPATAFUOR and then Zenith of Heaven's Ministry. Until Bala so I share mommy. Yeah, leave your comment or comment section on a moon so lie so. Na men chiao na nye kama. Until baswa no waka. Na ma chiao kama. Yes sir. Panda multimedia, Panda online. But me chiao. I believe so yeah. Robert, I believe so here. Victor, I salute you too. I believe so here. Bebre nim se meba life eduru maybe a na twa surprise kakra. Most especially on Sundays and a live telecast, but most people are not aware that Mensa Richard, I salute you. Mami Akuya, I also salute you. How you doing? I believe so here. Yankopon ya aduma echina, sorry baso life, echina me ba sorry. Nyame aduma. Mensa Collins, good evening to you. Echina nyame aduma shiama sorry. Echina kwesi ada ene Saturday anwumre Ghana time almost 8 something. Echina nyame aduma shiamo aso da ho hyehyehye. Ne bubusa me question bi echine wa adwene so. Fabra. Efa nyame somo ho. And echina bring in all your questions. Tomorrow ampaye bi dwa wa aso da ho. Ndi shia me kwesiada we are yechina e wa so down for question bra. I love it when people ask me question. Yana me pese a man for bisa me question. A boa me read details. Emma also so bakuma toyum. Preaching is a normal thing. So but you can say question and answers there. Boa Grace Wilson. Let me show until wa wo loka bia no echina hia kumase chinekwesi asole she come and ask your questions. Na ini nkomo. Chichina service wo na me adum na china wiase awie ya ma. Na atemu da amane etiase a kwesi ada ebe ya sorry nti ya abra sorry kumasefo ya amumra sorry ya mishra mo nti otenka ebo na anu abobi amane se nyame ya adom a echina ibehia wa sorry fie na ya di nkomo na bibia e kama efrem OPATAFUOR me chiache wanwumre ba bia wo bia nyame adom me ho ye Noah Chiao. Mpre bebre ya me ni nkomo kitu ebe 20 minutes nkomo. Mpre bebre ya na nipa bi wo ho a. Omo hoahoa omo ho. Ewo boni mu. Ene amumuyo ni amimdie ho. Adentia. especially obi oha se will power e de ma wo mo a se obi oha o tumi bu a oye osofo oye konfo oye dunsini oye malam. Me talking about the spiritual aspect of it. We also ahonamani oye minister oye MP oye president obi ono a oye ohene na ohene na ono tumi na e de ama no ne de ne se odi sisi nipa odi henipa o manipa tini suo wa abrabom because of say wanya bibi kakra bi gina so enti wo wadwene bi ni esu bi woni tirim say ono anara ni ono ara batanya sa na tie ade wo so nipa tie ase nse emre idi adane ma steady ni wa bi wo wi ase emre di adane did you know your president 2016 2017 2018 2019 emre bi ba onye president biem. Do you know your president the year 2000 about 2008 and you know your president biem. They'll take you over on the 7th of January 2009 about 2012 at about 2016 and you know your president biem. And you be on one when you be kura or abuse power. Now there was so much as say. Oh, we were for side, I know I heard you. I dear beer, and ye be out the you near being beer, and ya drinking me. Drinking me. And this our trust council the woe beer. Now, Busa who say. Second man, I mean, a woman, me, dear, how would I feel? Because maybe the second war, Nami Makotanasi. It is a war second. Now, maybe the second war, so maybe the woman, how would I feel? Especially, Yana, Christophe, we. And the petty Missy, baby, the petty, her will be a home. My who ni pabe 3 more adrenal. If you say me by or so for. Menyant me fantitiem bedrum pempenso amedru asofo mpanfo a me share wo mo na ase understudy wo mo mpanfo bi a me no mo nante ye sabe empanini se ye wo na wo ma me no papa ma unyansa enkrofo fie emu atenatuo ba mu ahunu nyansa ni nimde mahuni yo mo bebrebe no masua Mayanyansa sua bebrebe afrim obi wo hono ma onim say wako Benin wako India wako China wako Togo wako tutumi bi wako fatumi wako diedro ubonu tu a enka no utwa sekan a entwa saa adwene na woni tirimu ntino wode abuse nipa you how be ade ekura ade ne nye wo de a enso nipa da sani timi gifiri wonsam ya obi o ha ode woka but e kana ode no okase okwaje a onfa ma o but instead of say nipa we obenya nyansa kasa bia ka kire mpanyini se anobrebre e ma abato enti senka misika wo ho na me ba beje na wanya bia ma me anka ya akrokro ne wom obinua se de nioma munye mesro ma me na kakra obi wo no wo be ka kire se ontua ba bia pe bia fa ne ko ani dia because o adwene bi se o bansiri bi wo ho o toma bi gunase wa kwa ma ya tetene tetere maso ya mani ensuo bi adware ya mani bibia di owo tinimu pobi amen kan kyerɛw wiase onipa bia owuo mfa no bia no ɔya no ɔbɔ ne ho mana ne sɛ wanyini akyɛre ndi asante se so owuo mfa wo aya na wo se wanyini akyɛre no owuo de na pakan besi ufi a sa entuhu na onipa etu ne ho sɛ me manyini akyɛre me de me hwɛ me ho yie no oboa obie no asase we mu ɔhwɛ ne ho yie sɛ obi si wodidi healthy ɛwɔ mu sɛ ye didi healthy de ɛde tenetene apɔmuden wɔ hɔ but ento fapem na nsi pampim bi wɔ wadwene mu sɛ wo wadidie na wodidi healthy no ɛnema ɔte ase na oboa ada obedidi healthy anum enuru papa ukoda na onyankopɔn yi ne ho mfiri mu a obehu sɛ wo healthy na okasa na oboa enkosi baabia tani wiasete to yɛse nya da obetu bo atwa asuo frawo no ada na mpafin besi obi wo ha ɔma ohia ni bi esu ya utimi ji ohia ni bi oni bie bi ade bi efiri ne nsam obi wo ha obi timi sacrifice in life at the boa no forever reason otimi di dini pana tem no wa ye na de ya no watwitwa wo mpoa basa no wa kyerɛ wo sɛ opa ye de obeye obi wo hono ma otimi ka kyerɛ sɛ wo ye hwan de opa bi a opa ye especially we ye kristoni na obi sisi no obu kwasea na wote hodi su ni ya wo se wo de wasem nyina manyame na onipa na osisi wu no obu kwasea no oda so nam ho oti ho na bibi anye na aya na emprembi no nipa ni efi se owu ni hwe uwo bibi a adenti na like oye u bibi no nka bibi ansi obi ho akoke kan ho nsem ya de akyere obi ana owo gidie bi se wo ye kristoni untimi monidua untimi ntokosia untimi mfasena apo ngufo ya na emprepi ni yesuro wo mo madi nuro obi o ye konfo o ye okote grandmaster obi a o ye esumu tumidie bi ehu nipa wa di tumidie bi odi tumidie bi achi o kwaye ne bone a ya odwiri mienu ba ye na ye agidifo na ye kristofo obi ye wade a onwene ho efi se wonim se o ye o hwinsi se nyankopon kra no ebe respond wa anye ne obi wa sana na adwene ye no obi wo ha sana na adwene ye no obi wo ha sometimes no I am turning to believe certain things. I was happy na me wo man panyin bi wo medical doctor kese power doctor Ghana medical doctor pa o konfanochi panyin pa ye campaign for na o panyin pa one day through panyin bi wo Ghana ha na me ni nya encounter but some man no onye o Kristo ni ono onko asori oye obi a oye ek anka enkanka fo wo a wonimu omo ya research for omo ena me hia man no na me ni man ni din komo sa no study ade na man no obi a onko asori no onye Kristo ni o oye enkanka ni na omo nkyire eni wo mu nyina so bi eni nsem bi okan ni yedi enye se onji nyame ni o oji nyame di se nyame wo ho but man no nim se ti adwene de enkankafo otirimu omo adwene bi se obi eba asase wesu na se obre bebreba na chese ne past life no ya omo ogidie bi according to enkankafo enkyere no omo kyere se obi pa wiase na obre bebrebe amane bebrebe eniguase bebrebe almost see what the kind of wiase pen. Now wiase no. First one ube di bone. Di na ya wo watiko. Ama wasa aba. Wo bresa no. Now omo adwene bi say obi hu chire ni bebrebe na say oye bibia na enye yi a ne past life no oye bone ana say oba wiase first no o ska but wa amwa nipa. And until that this time around, so obia muano 50% me jiwon chile ni too, because in the realms of the spirit, in Christendom, we have something called karmic entities. Yeji ahonhumu a so nipa yi oni ni yonko bone na ode ne fa kwan bone so a ahonhumu a etua sa ankrofo ne ka. Ye was a spirit no. That entity, we have those entities over there. Those karmic angels who respond and pay people back in their own deeds or evil with their own crimes. There was our entities, no. We have those entities over there who punish the soul of humanity and the flesh for doing evil against Unipa. But they have this mindset. Obi oye konfo, obi oye malam. Oye malam. Tumi na etini mu no. O de fa obi yire. Obi yire ba no so obepem wo a na wa fa na yire. Asujafo bebre na abuo no. Ufa sujani a sunsun bia na uni problem. No spirit. No spirit. Spirit bia no no problem. Say wakofa obi a oni kunu otewo. Spirit bia no any problem. But the very moment you lay your hands on somebody's wife, this is where problem comes. Na ye won krofo bi o no mo a o ma dwene se ono wadi aduro. Wo ya ne hwe enye yie. Untimi moni dia. Untimi nkuno. O bompa e kra hwe nsi. Because we ahotoso edi adwene bi wo na koma mu se wo de adi nipa bebrebe hwe ansi na nya wo na obetimi ama bibi ato no. My brother, I'm telling you, say Yankopon sha ase se wo visit wo obon se se konfo na o ma obansere no wadada. Se Jacob tumfo no sha ase se boni a wo de adi nipa no o yiwa no na wa haubi urebe ho na ebeturu mmiri bi no o kon be do wo nso ugya me mahu nipa bi a me opatafoɔ me ne ne kɔtenai wɔyɛ old soldier ne tirimu ɔden aduane kura a yɛbɛdie no otimi tugu fam etietia so tugu otimi bɔ wasum for no reason. Be your mistake kitwa bi na abayo, and you need to be corrected by words, just mere words. Oh, I was say like when you pan mistake away no or de na no keke ne hye nkuran na or de na no keke ne tenete no we de sa so jama na me kana asa no oba otimi hwe wasum say na wani so nyina dare moja because we a military man. And wakop patan to kwapen. Ama ntokwa ni mu no yabubo no tuo but okodi aduro wo sirem nti o adwene bi say masa ni bia ntimi no bra me come in some Bible and then me nda nwumre ya me ni udi nkomo yi abro Nyankopon ehyaase ene ahonhom karmic angels no eto ne so re Mino a pro kaketeso. A dream be no or pretty say, O wo emefano. Nensu no woda. The evil thing that this man did, it got to a point in his life that he wished he had died. But even with that of his wish, God rejected him and made him lie in a sick bed and suffered. He paid so dearly. Me shimu bed 4 or 5 years later. Now me call that area. And I decided, say, oh, let me go and pay this man a visit. Me call ya, I say, hey. Say, ni pass me, si one yare da hono. Sister, na onipa onwu ye, na wapro ama emwa abani mi ko unwi. Because Abraham menene tino, na ni tirimu odin, papa. Hey, na ni tirimu otimi boss or bomasum, just like, you see, offendi pasa akwa, oh yeah, like who are you? We are boamano, on found. My brother, hey, obi ohon one, hey, otimi your bonnet, say I'm sorry, no crown, eh, de man, otimi ko say udin, ya, hey. We are see bibia woni mre said ye oguo woni mre no twabre so e woni mre na boni se onipa wodi boni edi obi se o keka obi hu nsensem ugu obi adim ase o plan se obi mo o plan se enimguase bi ntu obi wodi obi nam kwan boni bi so a fashion utrim se etese aburo banche pe koko akutu kwadu bode na wode hye na ebe fifi said ye tie dia no ebe fifi abra wunyini ewo boni ni mu no na the seed that you planted in the soil will also be growing. It will get a point a boni na wo ye no na enyini hwe obi wo hono ma o afa be nyini na obone no aso aba na boni no so aba de a oye den a obati bi adi because obi eni hono ma odua anka ni fifi na enyini na ebere na ya akese a onti bi ni da na unim boni eso aba bebrebe ebi wo ho a eso aba empatuwo enimguase obi wa boni na odidi obi no the way I would chantro to obi so the way I would can someone enim fa onipa hono na ebeduru mire bi no obo nse yesi nimo antimi wa etete ontoma nimo antimi wa etete ontoma obo si wabu obi kwasea wagire ka afiri ni nsam wagine sika afiri ni nsam wagine nasasi afiri ni nsam wagine plot afiri ni nsam wadada obi eni na koye business ene sika ne ba wa fa sika no wagiska na afiri nipa ni nsam ya nipa ne de wodi ahometie wodi su wodi areho wodi ateche ene wodi tiwo no osu saa bonse obesua na one day spirit bi ene na nya encounter na spirit na I decided say the way a nipa no so waye oba waye bema osi etete no obedi ni dwuma de ama no nipa na waje usika obo apo obo kwasea no na sunsun bi a decide say obeto saa onipa no so re na ya na mprempi no ya na yewure firi onipa ho ya na yewure like our mindsets we easily forget things. That's how we were made. We easily forget things physically and in the realm of the spirit. When we become emotional about things, within the next twinkle of an eye, what that mindset. Obi oha obebu obi kwasea na uwo ma ube show mana do university. You see why these ministers and MPs, some of them, they meet their untimely death and certain uncircumspected happenings tend to trap some of these people. It's because of the kind of pains we put people in. Sometimes yeshenipa ahometie yetimi show obi ahometie yeshena comfort saa no de ahometie because only option. People feel they are powerful. Obi wo ha we politically connected. Wo wa hemfo. wo painful or soldiers or connections or a higher police ranking into one or foul assassin or Jew a Japade or Jew we or your bonia a hefan because oko quarter or be my lawyers be 15 judge na oto no club say twesika de abre no enti wu no wo kura no your bonia o nka de obeyansa wo de me na nipa smesi I say now they are done esu ne brabo bebre yetiti ebinum amoma famu awu obi wo ha wo adwempa wo anisuade hunu senka like obe this is the services obe render to people now ya mafia no. I'm telling you say everything has an end. When God decides to respond to you, don't think you are powerful. I have seen countless of people who thought they were powerful, but power they say is an illusion. To me, a nada. To me, a nada. Say, what being when dear drew, and you will be your one instead of you to reciprocate with the same papa, will be your papa. Instead of say, what the papa be and a bit triana canary kama, now soon yaban, will be your papa now the bonnier trianaca. A dear winning now cafu will be on. And here my baby share. Do be on one share ya. Would the cry a bit ya? Would dear grab a woo aquara where yare for me or patafor na maker. Mima who yasi, on. And your man radia dear swatterman or musun chileni pa. And the mechanisms involved in the rest of the spirit. And now, she say, you was Saturday, more different. I'm talking in respect to people who are in Ghana and this African continent. We are in Saturday and you mreni ekobo 9. Nyame ya dum about 10:30 p.m. Ghana time on. There were different entities, powerful beings who are demons, who are principalities, who works in the different dimensions, who are not here on earth. They begin to tap into our realm and come. And some of these entities, they have their direct representative here. Obi wo hono ma ye na ye tia asase so anya obi a na ye nipa o anya obi a na ye nipa sofo ba ku bi mi mo ni din because of security reasons na owo kumase ha bi a wo hwem wo behu nipa koro no o preach one of the radio station pa na or you very loud na owo yen abrepo ohwim kwan so na you very loud pa but a durumre no na sofo ni fake miracles obi timi ko osikwaje oil nko 70 oil makoma 70 o de beden oil no susu nya oil papa na ye tworo no bible mu no e bodge sabroso bells ne wells na ye hwehwe bells ne wells egu nipa so adentia were integrated into his ministry with all forms of criminology, criminal activities. A dream rebuno, now a person powerful and popular. The way Satan would take you to a realm and lie to you and lure you to commit some crimes. Sanabon some to you, or the BB 2-3, or the Agini 2-3, no, a dada one, no, a chum. No one more kwa ye boni a wuntimi mmenya mi biem sana Satan ote because boni bi wo ha odi wi a wa oto odi o si we dey madru akini nti dia ka ne se odi boni na awu sa sofu we odi nsem hunu bebrebe okunkum nkwala eduru mle bi na ohwim ni atafoa na nkwala yira ho na bra wo bewu no nyankopɔ are to ban so oproi yare kakete so sa story we mu amhu ye no omu ye sofo na yie eba social media e ma sa asofo no omu su di sa nkwase asam no bi no bone no omu ko gu no ho mu amu nimu no obagi din e okumase ha ohwim ene na tafoa side no kum kwala de sacrifice na rehosam ne say efie a osisi ye ne ukọ baabi ana na asodan ne wona ensuo atwia fa so amene no asodan na osi wasi no ene ensuo atwia fa so enti se ukum nipa na wo sei nipa na wo di nipa ekọhye asodan na se a se ne be ye nipa bepu aba ho a ene hwede asodan na koyi ene onipa wo na masasi we so no won kwan na kora yesen 80 years no afi asase no so ko enti wo a wo hwe ni farise nyame ma 80 years a wo ti waka how many years farise ye na yeti ye wo lie ana wo mo behwe video yi enye obi a de benya 70 years nye obi a de benya 80 years enti wo de ye farise nyankopon wa ye yadom wa ma obi a 80 years ye nya 80 years wan kasa wo fi akasa wo 30 something we account 50 na 50 no said the 30 no di utwa mu no sa na obetwa 50 no so enti what is the essence, what will be your benefit going to a level to kill somebody who be or honam nipa no honam te se wo ene asofo omfa ho asofo kum adunsifo so kum ne kankan ni titiri eye politicians ene no kure Sandy, God bless you. I think say unim nipa no ene sa asofo na me kana se mokumase no obi a mpese obeto na japade esiwo edan esiwo asodan esiwo nkwala okun wo de wo ye sacrifice ye nto eno nto nchen eduru mine bi no na fame da fame on say entina me catch us say ade bi a wo ye bia ni jai ne nyankopon catch us say wo respond wa o rebe ho because I say when did obi atem okay can send be fa obi ho abra asema onim se wo kan enye no kore but enipa no wo kan ye ne bibia anto entiwa wo fi se no ano no we obi timi twa ompoa we we hwan onye obi a nye obi a en kore onye obi a we we hwan o nyame nsa wo no so a enka me ye ni say nka say yansi you see that mindset, some mentality obi wa onim say okwa asori we are Pentecost ni, we are Assemblies of God ni, we are CAC ni, we are Church of Christ ni, we are Zenith ni onim say we are nyansum ni ma pa Pentecost this year papa enti obo wa wo money bi enti no take you for granted sa no man genete asofu ekunkum nipa boni enti se onyame agreto emma na so a ofi say o na no kra ye kumienu no wo mo e wo galamsey site omutibi koto newborn babies edi wo mo be shefom secretly na wo akwara no ye declare sa akwara no wawu ye declare sa wawu obi wo no ma ye be judge o mo se sem imprediasa na ya na ade a ya wa asase we so se ebi wo ha wo a wo hwe mi wo ye innocent wo ni mu ho hwe na wo maami bi wo nua bi wo papa bi wo wofa bi wo sowa bi no akodi ni nsem hunu wo baabi na ebi aba besayo ade a arehunu no de enti ade bi aya na metai a perform spiritual cleansing me dware sunsun adware na me kachire tumi a me di na chi se me papa me maami de ontias we so many years ago ni Jesus akra me papa me nua bio hwan yo ni pep se even me kra me ba me biological ba okoye ne boni a onfa ne boni no onfa so no ankasa no onfa nko e ma ne mfa me nka ho me ankasa me ba ekodi ni boni a Jacob tumfo na mfa na de so anso ano no mfa na de nko mane mfa me meka ho na me a me ti ho ade biara me ti ni suo tempenten kwa me bre akwanchine ni mprabo mu no onko fama ne bi mfa me soa me na me ne onyankopon entam emenya problem de bia me boss empire no me performing me spiritual bath bia me boss empire na say my spiritual cleansing. Na wiase no saa na tie o. Wiase no saa na tie. Enti obi wo no mabos all of a sudden. Ubebu obi kwasea, ubefa sika ni nyina bonse na all of a sudden bim no awu. Obi ho ene obi wu a enye ya biemu. First na obi wu a na ke yetim nsuo ni yetim pentem kwa ni yetete. Nanso ene amumuye ni boni nti woni pa wu a yemfa ho biem. Na said the one who ye no kra no no mfa ne kra ho because so wodene ne kra ho asen ko onye obone. Na wo a wode ho no wa anwene ho. Na wadi nsem hu no awu a men or mimi mom na me medwene ho. No, it doesn't work that way. Intineno musuo ni adwene very 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 evil mindset, an extreme one. Sa ne binim sutie. There are people here. Sometimes it is not everybody that you see eating, drinking, speaking your own language. Sometimes some of these people, you think they are humans. That's how you think. That's how you think. In the olden days, there was a man in the Bible called Melchizedek. In the olden days, there was a man in the Bible called Melchizedek. Melchizedek. Na mind be your Bible, your friend Melchizedek. Bible say, such Melchizedek, onia shasiye no onia wiye. Onia shasiye Melchizedek, onia shasiye no onia wiye. Enso no wote ho ye panyin a odi hene. Na obi oti oye panyin a wote wonom titimire mu a oye ohene a odi kuro so. Ono no yesi onia shasiye ne wiye no. Ka hu se oye tumi bi no abetena wiase. Enti obi wo honom a ye nam a ye kwe nyina no obi ho obetima betena sase we so aware obetimi aware obetimi awo obetimi atwempena obetimi aye de awuye na bi enso se wonye nipa oboa obetimi abewo enkwala de o magu asase we so enso wonye nipa na wanhwe yi a unhu age se like ne nioma oye ne ye na oye no. Ni shouldn't the Bible should tell you a lot about these people that no, they are not human here on earth. Though they live and do their things like humans, but in a real sense, they are never humans. If you are Bible, if you are ya menu kase, ya menu kase, if you are, there are people living here on earth right now who live in America, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Spain, across the global world, Ghana and its environs, the West Africa, the African continent, who lives in our locality. We see them on a daily basis, but I'm telling you that they only possess the characteristics of humanity, but they are never humans. They are spirits here on earth, but they pretend to carry the flesh of humanity. Their actions and words should only tell you that no, this guy, this man, this woman, this girl, or boa onye nipa. Ebimu ya honhom boni. Ebimu ya honhom ya papa. Some of these people that we see them, some of them, they are good spirit. Some of them, they are evil and bad spirit. There are some of these humans here on earth who were sent by spirit entities from a higher dimensional order to come and execute a specific task here on earth. If you think I'm lying, read the Bible. Jesus was a spirit entity and pretended to transfigure into human form, came for us to give birth to him. Now this man was here on earth, but every night Jesus will ascend to the heavens and communicate with a higher power and get to a dawn time, then this man will return back. These were some of the things that Jesus was doing that people weren't aware of it. That is why some part of the scriptures, it was recorded that he prayed all night. So ask yourself, whom exactly was Jesus praying to? He was contacting a different realm at all night. Jesus was talking to spirit entities which were not permitted for humans to use their human eye to see them. Na Yesu, no ati asase we susu onipa. and so oboa no ye honhoma wote ni ba bi ne ye de na ba asase wesu se o medi dwumadie bi na aka se Yesu nko a ye woni pa bebre tete asase wesu a saa na omusu tie wo mo edi Yesu boni nyina na o ma wie ye ekosi wo se saa na nipa tie my brother obi o ha wote o mantamu obi o ha woni na ti hwe obi betimi aba ma wo ne wo maame obi o ho no obetimi abefiri abusua no. There was one brother of Jesus called John, right? One was also called James. These were the names, some of the names of the brothers of Jesus. So the brothers of Jesus conceived and had this man said, and say yes, dear, me mammy or woman on a woman. I'm telling you, so mammy or woman on a woos, Sabrantiana, and Kabunina Moni Bako. Nancy used to see the Pikachu say. In the natural world, the father, the job which was articulated to his father was carpentry work. But Jesus never did any carpentry work. He never learned anything. And if anybody tells you that Jesus learned how to do carpentry works from his father, it total lies. So which father was Jesus talking about? Brother, umetimi akum obia but obi o ha untimi nkuni da ubetimi aya onioma bia. I say this pastor that I'm talking about in Kumasi, he suffered. He confessed. He did a lot of evil. Buying unborn babies from big hospital just to use these children for ritualism and stuff, just for fame and power. Buying the placenta of women from hospitals, and they boil the placenta for them to eat, just for them to become powerful. I am telling you, even the man who never tasted death, when it is your time, you will leave the earth. And found said they also were dear drotier, opa kojia dropa, opa koma bonsamana, and funny 2 million amount. Brother, o time soon I'll be fras as soon as wako. And you will be on your bonnet, and you will be on your bonnet. Will be how a assassin to send me pa opo when you pada. Sao Sophia Mekana Mukumasi. Or she shall who already so, almost shall come, almost see what I've been what you say. Che, you know, na ye basa. Unim. In Suobi, at the Nassau down. In Suobi, one Nassau down. Science will and normally I had dama. Omo prepare the Kumasi. I buni say you're gonna say a pipe. Kumasi pipe no. And you barakesi damu. You are another dam be a friend wabi. Science you and no my bridge was so recently no. Science you now make an answer. Or my bridge was so recently. Now science you one day. Or dane ne ho akwala science you na meka na sem that river god or dane ne ho akwala and o call sofo no na sofo no che no so de ne be rituals and o born she ho because already no na sofo no edi nsem hunu entina ensuo no ama no warning say san nsem hunu na o ye no onjai Bawenjai. Because of he say, wa could dear drunty, who is water god or river goddess to stand before him. This was his assumption. That's how one day they soon done in one color because you have been catching small boys and girls just to do your rituals. Intina tafwa and you don't need this. So one day in Sui, you know the children or chain back. And no one striking no cram and one no. Na so funi be wunu or confessing a lot or kanyama a lot. And the saddest aspect of it is that Owuye and Nakola and an associate pastor. The same way as Sofuni Wuye, Sana Nakola and Wuye, also pray a carcateso of 4 year kete. ansana onusu wo nti enipa bi wo ha wo hye sumase na o di bone o ye nioma ensem fata na o kum nkrofo obi o ye doctor o hye hospital ono bone na odie o switch nkrofo babies or switching, or there are some of these medical doctors and senior nurses who have been switching people's baby and stealing them, selling the placenta of women to higher governmental officials and satanic agents. Share one day, Nyamekaso and Sanwa, don't deceive you. Me sometimes I see those people as a joke. And some of their actions, I see them as a mediocrity. They are making fun of themselves. The Alpha and Omega, the one who has come and who is still to come. If God decide to respond to you, say, brother, because you assembly or sebi who need that. Share. Onyankupo betimi ahwew. No wabu obi agini sika. Na nipa na su ya. Now the sense sika no. Who the sense kano akɔhwɛ wo ba ɛwɔ university akɔra ne wie school na no awuti and then MPs and the ministers. You see how some of these people are dying prematurely. You see how some of these MPs and ministers, their children are dying as they will wama pre like what Jessica na drum pension udrum pension so ana akwala na wo de oba kwotena America na wotwe no school fees na wakunu kram adentia. The tears of an innocent people, the poor and the vulnerable masses that you cheated them, you made some of these people to weep bitterly. No, I yell, sir. And some of them, their tears will take you down. The God of justice will visit you unawarely. And by the time you realize, there's nothing you can do about it. So power is an illusion. It's a deceptive thing. If you are never careful, someone you're careful. If you are not careful now, like who just say, "Oh, me, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that." Don't joke. Me, I have seen the power of God in reality. In reality, if anybody tells you, say, "Namibia anywhere," don't joke. If God decides to visit you, if the Spirit of God decides to expose you, if God decides to cripple you and bring you down, you think the story of Nebuchadnezzar was all lies? Fiction. And then they wrote it in the Bible that there was once a king who challenged the authority of God, and God turned him to be an animal to live in a bush for 7 years. Sometimes you think some of these stories are myth. It's never happened. It's not real. Until God decides to turn you to a goat. This is where you realize that, hey, your brother Nebuchadnezzar had really suffered. Ntemeno, ubi ba menchenya. I am sheni di. Until I'm in pio. Mempe kasa bebribi. Mempe ohaw. Minibia. Me ba be sere o say eni ano me ho kire be momoa me. But say me use deceptive tongue and nada. I be catch o say this and that. The man do a japade no. Ka urade kura be tua me ka. I'm telling you. Now the foolishness of humanity. Let me show you something. We waste our time here on earth. Listen, let me tell you something. A small analysis. Every human here on earth came with nothing. Listen, everybody, including me, I came to this world with nothing. You came to this world with nothing. We will struggle, kill people, destroy people for everything. Then in the latter part, we leave everything behind and go. You see life. We see life. We came to this planet Earth with nothing. But we will kill, destroy, steal, lie, do all sorts of things to accumulate all things or amass a lot of wealth. Then in the latter part of your life, you leave it and go. You leave everything behind. Sane wiase wiase fra yani wiase fra ya adwene ne yente ase wiase ama ye nhunu ye ho oh wiase ama ya adwene ne ye nyansa no achiachia me odifo patafo manfa hwia ma wiase nanso so ubaba betena wiase no wabɔ apo wabɔ krono wasisi nipa wakum nipa watwa ntoro wawia ade unka no kore uyese now they are pray edan wo obi ha wakum nipa wo they are pray edan awo Ajinga no East Legon Trasaco what do you call it airport rage Oyarefa for the born in nurse so Oyarefa for the born in nurse my consider obo East Legon for mo when you come to Kumasi Atasumaso and all envelopes the Nyame range and those prominent areas ube beriase you came here with that. There is no king or chief, there is no pastor, there is no technocrat, there is no technocrat here on earth who came with something. But you see the way these politicians are taking us for granted and stealing from us as if they will not die. As if they will not die. As if they will not die. The way they are stealing, sharing government properties, sharing the nation's cake, the national cake to themselves, neglecting the tears of the masses, the vulnerable ones, and sharing the national cake to themselves. Ye yadie, hey ye bapo, ye bokrono, near the pre ejapadie bebrebe, near coincidence cantonment, Laboni, Rich, airport, East Legon, Oyarefa, Makati Hill, near Sicily na yatotoka sakesiye, na yakwe yasia. Na ye my fans near ye way nyina bonse last minute na waka ne nsa agunubo o ye bema sebi mprediasa na ne hwa ebo no to kufe ne de na to adakam yesu kakra ne akoto na twene enipa okumu no bra obra ye de o ye nyina no wagya egu ho. It should tell you say when God decides to respond to you, oh the oil na small. Dear ya no small or hini bi baba wiase obe ahini na wo hini no obe di say we ye hwan or hini we ye hwan busa ho sa wonko na we hini oba wiase first ana na say wo de o mpatam wo ya asante a aya asante hini wo ye nkran a wo ye nkran hini wo ye kwawu a wo ye kwawu hini wo ye abetifi a wo ye abetifi hini wo ye ebono a wo ye ebono hini Oye enzima, oye enzima hene. Oye anguna, oye anguna fo hene. Oye kuapima, oye kuapim hene. Oye krobo fo hene. Baby kakra na o tene ehwa na udi hene. Enko baby a o. Nenso so no. Ye wo hene bi ti se Solomon obetena asase we so. Na o kenkan Bible say na China, India fo nyina hye na se na o mu nyina tua tight de man. Indians were people who were paying tight. Paying tight. Paying 10%. Paying 10% of whatever they were amassed as a nation to King Solomon. It is in the Bible. I can give you the quotation. It shows that King Solomon's kingship was very powerful. There's this same story in the book of Joshua. When you read the book of Joshua, chapter 5, chapter 6, 7, and then chapter 4. Go and read it. Enoch was a king who ruled on earth, on the dear sasses. So they were paying a lot of things to him, but he has left the earth. Sani viasity. Ube pribibia, ube pre nyabotre, ube pribibia, ube kum, ube botuo. me this na eduru mre bia me be shedem na meti hodin na mesere sa unim mesere say de oye nyina achi no 20 years later wu no awuko de we a wasia yesa me ye de be hene me na me ye MP de ya no obi ye MP obebo pa am ya assassinate obi secretly na 4 years pepepe na ni mpesua sofo ato abatia no enti obre no ho oba power with nothing and oba kill it to accumulate everything and he will leave everything behind. Me will fear 24 hey obi obeka kire say wa mobra bia no oboa abrabo de ebo na so sister bra se obeku yonko pa de yonko ahefom se obetwa obi moja se obechi obi innocent aberi no mo amoye galamsey mo pe gold se ye de Ghana galamsey nyina de ma na utu a bra ubetu galamsey na engosi uhwe se ye de Ghana galamsey nyina ma na utu a ubetu galamsey na engosi uhwe sa na wi asete nti se me trase na me dwendwen we nyina ho a ya na me pia bonten kura e den ma me because at the end of the day no what we are fighting for will never become our own permanently. What we are fighting for, it is never our own permanently. The house you have built, the car that you have, when God decides to take away your spirit today and seize your breath, everything, you will lose everything. You will leave everything behind. You will never tell me, say, you will have that mandate to stand before God and tell God that, God, wait for me. Give me some days because I have erected a mansion at East Lagos, Trasago, Ajengano, and as I say, and he said, Ajengano Fienti, East Lagos Fienti, Kumasi, West Fienti, dear Fienti, who need regard. You treat people anyhow. You say all sort of things to people because you think say West Fienti, oh, like home for nipa. What do you do any pattern basa? Obeja bibia ho. Ma tade ye hyemi. Sisi a de eche opatafuo mini ho a. Enkomo fa tade we ma me kora nko na mo nkase we de opatafuo because ma tade we me pepa. Enkomo fa ma me na me mfa nko. Na mo nkase atade we de opatafuo ti ase no. Wo hwe ni video bebrebe anu de twanti no ope. Mo ma ye fa nko obi be woro. Me na mkam to ye wo obi ono be woro we afa fun ya me de ye life yi obi be fa fun ya me no ye ankomo fa fun no kura ma me na me duru asama ado a me de aye course bi na nka me de aye WhatsApp bi ni ma ye Instagram bi a twete wo ensamampum enso on be tam ya kotoma to atwena ensamampum ho na fun no obi afa abaye obi dia na wonim kan hunu se na ntwie oh ni podia anka ne to a konfo a wo ukomasuo ta no a wakotwo na ntwie podia kura wa odi hunahuna nipa no wo so enka wonzam da wo bewu agya podia no ho nti ne ye matade na ma bresa me fun ye kura mi ma bresa opatafo last minute ma gya no ko na wo a wa ba be fa me fun no wo na fun no be wo wonzam akwa wiye ebi ma tempenten kwa edi suni atete oh yawo ne abebrese omodi akosa wo efie ho wura fie bi mu ajapade enti asundwie ni ho ahaya me dia ahaya mi sei onim se ahanya ne dia obi timi ni nua ono ne blood ne maame omufiri maame baako papa baako na ejama ana enama na omu papa eja omu efie bi wo ti ase kura wantimi amobra ampe wankasa wo ajapade wo papa fie no wani abere ho enu nti utimi kosrem utimi kwa nwona mam ukokum obi efie ni nti efie na ukum obi amana be ya odi anso no ubedam 10 years later na so wu ko no agya no obibi ni ji mi sa de te nipa when you be new abrofo nyina ka ho onipa ya adwene da yetim no we came to this world ye de adagya yamfa hwe and the ba asase we so asase we ya ba ye baba be kunkum ye ho yakogi sikaduro ni agye bibia na abaye de ya ye wi a na ya sa agya ni nyina ho ne ye kɔ nti we no transit na we ye wa abrabo nkwase asam saa kwase asam saa ni agya hokɔ hwe MPs for form sase bitimi tena obusa o say ah na mo MPs no ministers ntimu nwu ana obitimi kase ye de beja ye ma ho na so ye fani wo a wuhia Ghana sika korakɔtɔ asase no wan tena so na wo ba na beche wo wan kasa wo ba beche wo a wuhia Ghana sika wuhia Ghana sika $60 million $40 million $30 million $80 million at the account na nsen political party here what power ya tete hu omu MP ba ku ya say appoint say onko he na account mu na ya say $30 million bi dem $30 million na ye hwan ene o man ni sika na odi bi de nye no agya de hokɔ no enti saa na tie saa na tie political party ya agya omu wo power yi omu MP ba ku say owi Bakuya no ye adwuma wo forestry ya sa forestry no ministry of sa forestry wa woman sika so mfa nkotu adwuma yefo a no watena so nya no wawu no se wo makotena to atwere ene sika na we sika na we jan hokɔ yakotena atwere enwura mu ho ya pe adaka bi ni amena bi ni atutu na to atwere enti Achimota forest, Achimota ona owi aye na otwa aye na ofa aye no. A eba ya ni will eba abontia no de Achimota forest the bell 4 acres ache no. Ni bizarre way. We ja hokɔ. Nti wo a this forest ni ma ka unu say wo na obetine maka say. Ti o ri wo fo nsa no ahwe wo de. Ade bi a wo ye bia na dwene kɔ akiri. Na bibia wo na wie ye. Na wo ye obi bibi. Na say ade na wo de ye nipa no fi so nipa no ye hwan because o upper hand e chen no obi atom wadi obi atom wa hye obi atom wadware sabi anya obi kura nka ye bonini but ade no de utimi say di nipa na tem anya obi kura mpa nka ba bia de uti beto kura na den ayi obi na ha dan ma o obi na ye usi o abrabo no sa na onyame bo no hwe ensuo bi tini kobo ensuo bi mu na ensuo bi so atene de kɔ enti ensuo bebre na tini kobo ofin mu ofin na nkasa na oda ho no river ofin on so kotene ano akɔbɔ asuo fufurum asuo no so free ha no on so de kɔ everything has an end. Now when you go to the parliament house, sometimes these politicians they think say they have traveled to the length and breadth of the world. They have gone there to fortify themselves. We have fortified ourselves and nothing can bring us down for us if you curse us. That is why they can't serve God. The reason why these people, the politicians, they can't serve God is probably because their hands are soiled in filth and innocent blood. They have shed it. And because of that, they know God, the true spirit of God doesn't want it. So they have rejected God and have traveled to India, as far as China, India, Benin, to go and fortify themselves, so that when you curse them, it will not have effect on them, so that you can pour libation and kill them. So when you meet them one-on-one, when you point gun at them, you can shoot them. This is their mindset. They go for magical powers so that you can use knife to kill them. This is their mindset, because they know that once they get that political power, they are going to use it to abuse the masses. They are going to take it from them. The man who stood on that platform and declared Ghana as an independent state, Kwame Nkrumah, is no more. He left it. So let's assume that if Kwame Nkrumah happens to be a president who stole something, the nation something, now he has left it behind. I'm not saying Kwame Nkrumah stole something, but I'm assuming that, let's assume that Kwame Nkrumah happens to be a president who stole Ghana's money, Ghana's natural resource, who stole something from the nation's coffers. Now he's no more. He has left it. The man who sat on Ghana, the state's presidency seat, for 19 years, Papa J, salute you wherever you are. I believe right now you are watching me from where you are. Papa J has left it. 19 years, he has left it. And you only 8 years. And you think you will not go. 8 years. You only have 8 years. Papa J spent 19 years in ruling Ghana. 19 good years. A man who was so feared. A man who was so respected. When Papa J was in power, you dare not to disrespect and even insult him. We are in the more democratic era where we can voice derogatory against people anyhow. Yeah, Papa J, Tama Rollins, dear Kunyan, Muntimikura misbehave or Ghana, Namanfo Srono, last minute, Massa, Oko. Papa J, ko. Now our baby, 8 years, oh, now uncle, so be ko. Do be we I'll be Jan Hobeko. The Obe fire be I'll be Jan Ho, a dear beer will be fat. Political party be our we will be Ube Jan Ho, we are MP Ube Jan Ho, we are minister Ube Jan Ho. A dear be our we are unti ye betu a bay. Omako did no, and no did politicians, Omadi did no. Ye co election, Baba, Miss Rob, Mammy Tumia. Me kwaya campaign kura no obi tumi tu a enyame ohuni Jimmy we Jimmy o wano no waye kronfo adwemboni woni tirim eninti odi nka kodi aduro me ko baba mama duro se na be ya me mpasua no so ho no bi o ha e bia me ya ade enya na obi entimi anka baba mama duro se na be ya ye bomi tu a emmo baba mama duro se na be ya ye twa me sika entwa na wakodi aduro enti ministers for no omote parliament house wo Omo ya adwuma on bebre toma gu o masere. Some ministers will bebre abotoma because bansere gu o masere. Bebre abotoma ministers no bebre abotoma MPs no bebre abotoma obi o ha wakodi aduro. Ene one ne yire aka because aduro ni si want me mfa oba. I know some of them, some of the politicians I know them. Aduro na wakodi ni say want me mfa oba. He can never have normal sex with somebody, a woman. But they pretend to marry ceremonial wives to do a cover-up. And behind the scene, their wives will be looking for young guys to be knocking them behind the scenes. And now, a memo because soon na wako dini a duro na wedini tienio a duro na wedini 2 million na wedini tia. Okoye no sunsum ne ka kire ne se untimi ne oba enna normal enna eni tiji so fo obi to no wafo obi to bebre wo ma enkwala na enye omo dia omo hyeda ma omo yere bobo ayi se omo nyenyem na omo akoto baby na omo ahyeda ba out wa wo sa netie nti ono wo fa obi to ni nyina ye sikanti se na be ye obenya sikanti nti wo fa obi to me sao ba ni refree se ye nyina Ghana ye nyina America fo ye nyina Uganda Germany fo ye nyina ye ko adwenkurom ye kasa wonko aye diskana ma fa nti wo pa wo de be de wonko a wo diskana be de nti se obi timi kasa me ma be me ho me ma kodi aduro brother konfo no wo bewu me nyini e be hu akom. When I was growing, me be who akom, me be who to me, ye can say to me, and me be who powers. I come for no my being those days. They can disappear and reappear. They can command things to happen. Even in the history of Ghana, Conformity is no more. They were tina sitting in Nyansa, echichere asante mine. They were tina sima asantia konya ayekesi, and ne asantia konya. The entire Santia Cassi in a Santa Fly Cassi in iron or Convanochi, na didn't have any Yansan in 2 million crowd, a chichira Sante, a chichemu, a chilo be said, and that Asante, who anyway, say now, say, Sa art ni we nyina no e konfanochi but owe okọ nti wo ye obi bone a dwene hu mienu wo de wo ye nipa no wo se obi wo de wano si obi hu wo beka na asem a no agu danim ase de onim nyina no aka afa no na eya wo se o maka hwe anya me office wa ben emire bi obi ye bi kire me obi ka asem bi kire me oye me bone pa no sa de me kosi baabi mankasa o eye me ya o ka kire se opatafo no ye hwan o se wa ben a adentina kame yen bi we no nkade ade o kikansem egu manim ase mankasa 2 3 4 years later mi hunu no wa pro na me no me ya mi hwani din nam se e na ma wa yesa no me ya se na wa adwene ye ne se like odi watam no okeka ho nsem na instantly e wo se BBC on se bebre sa na o ma adwene o mu obi ha wo ye obone ana adwene se sa de na o de ye no o se instant BBC ni ohunu se ampa usum Pentecost nyame ampa usum Assemblies of God nyame ampa presby nyame na odi nachi but o ye obi bi na hwe ansi dia na wote wosere but I'm telling you say bone it is say duaba a wo de aso fom wo de afa na ebegu ebenyini ebefifi ebenyini wo begu sunsu obeduru mire bi no aduaba na waso abrabo beti dia di ubo so na ma yale wo bi abo na ko parliament house MPs won bebre yale be ye ka bi no yale kra wo ye mbehyew es aye bebre bi no mo de tete so MPs won bebre wo HIV uni bi ntia abro ni be ye ni adwemboni nti asisie nti lebre wo yale aye o me mfansere wo mo but de me pesa me kire wo ne say so obekwa yi obi bone aba oso de sister enka fatira oba bi din bra fatira oba bi din na bo mpaye se nyame na ogini di a fine se wonji nyame ni so a enfa bone nkoye hu nipa na tena ho din na hwese o nhira ma wa bra bom bye bye makraw na mi nhira nyame adom e kina bra sorry bebu sam question bia asori koso gidi kina me ba sorry na ampaye beja anadwi me soja na no den ne dia ye adwuma etena me soja eja am dia ye adwuma nti tena nyame asem deep shishise shiame etena na pe na so le ho no ayema wa mantena masa onya ba bi ntena we nya by force o maso atrafie Dr. Drew Stomite, if you do boy, me chia mu nyina, God bless you all. Salute. Na me nka mo. Asia chana, I was in it of Heaven's ministry. I report. Wa be suma uni e bi amana ba omrantem.